everybody. It's your friend, Grandpa Ken. Listen, we're going to read today about a really, really fantastic lady who's started from the very, very early years of her childhood knowing what she wanted to do, she could accomplish if she just tried hard enough and worked at it. Yeah, we're going to read about Katie Ledecky. Katie is a swimmer, and Katie is probably one of the most famous swimmers in the world. Katie Ledecky is one of the greatest swimmers of all times. She is a record-setting, a world champion, and an Olympic gold medalist. Some people call her the greatest athlete in the world. Katie was born Kathleen Genevieve Ledecky on March 17, 1997 in Washington, D.C., and she grew up in Maryland with her mother and her father and her big brother, Michael. See, there's Katie. Yeah, there's Katie. Swimming was important to Katie's family. When her mother was a little girl, her sister fell into the water on a vacation and almost drowned. Ooh, I've had that happen. How about you kiddos? After that, all the children in the family were taught to swim. When Katie grew up, her mom taught all the kids how to swim. Right from the start, Katie loved the water. Yep, I've got grandkids like that. When Katie was 6 years old, she and her brother signed up for the Summer Swim League, and called the Palisades Porpoises. They liked it so much, kiddos, swimming, so much fun. They were soon swimming and racing all year round. Oh, that's cool. From a young age, Katie loved the challenge. Challenges are good, kiddos. She'd write down her goals and know how she wanted to swim. She wanted to know what she should improve on. Even if it seemed difficult at first, Katie kept trying until she reached her goals. Katie was competitive, in and out of the water. Most athletes are. She also enjoyed playing basketball and soccer, but swimming was her favorite. Yeah. No matter what the sport, Katie liked to win, but she didn't stop there from always being a good teammate. Good. You need to be a good teammate, kiddos. She cheered her friends' successes as well as her own. See? She had to study for school. She had to swim. She played other sports. Boy, she was really busy, huh? Katie worked hard to be the best swimmer that she could be. She woke up early every morning to practice before school. Many days she'd swim again after school, too. She liked her swimming, kiddos. Swimming uses a lot of energy, so Katie ate peanut butter toast with bananas on it. Oh, and that's a good way to give you protein, and then she drank chocolate milk after practice to keep up her strength. Well, that's good, huh? Katie's coach helped her learn a new stroke called the gallop on loping stroke. It's freestyle technique. It's called the gallop or loping stroke, okay? Gallop or loping stroke. It's a freestyle technique where one arm strokes harder than the other. This style helped her swim even faster. Katie keeps practicing and practicing. She wanted to make it to the Olympics. Many people wanted to, not many do. It wasn't long before she achieved that goal. In the summer of 2012, Katie earned a spot on the U.S. swim team. She headed to the Olympic Games in London, England. She was only 15 years old, kiddos. See, you can do a lot when you're young. The youngest member of that year's U.S. team. She had something in her mind all the time. I knew if I put my mind to it, I could do it. Most people didn't expect Katie to win. They really didn't. But Katie didn't focus on what other people thought. You can't do that, kiddos. You got to think on what you think. She dove into the water and quickly took the lead. The crowd couldn't believe it. Katie not only won the Olympic gold medal for the women's 800 meters freestyle, she won by more than 4 seconds. That's a lot in racing. And she broke a 23-year-old U.S. record. Wow, kiddos. Katie was an Olympic gold medalist, but she was still a high school student. When she wasn't swimming, she spent time with her family, did homework, and played board games. She went to the movies with friends and volunteered to help others. Boy, she's just a nice young lady, isn't she, kiddos? Yeah. She tries to help others, too. Over the next few years, Katie set record after record. She's just been the best, you guys. She won long races and short races, and Katie just didn't win. She won big, a lot. Soon, she wasn't just breaking other people's record, she was breaking her own records. That, for an athlete's really cool, kiddos. In 2015, Katie graduated high school. That same year, she also won every single freestyle race at the World Championships. No one had ever done that before. People call it the Ledecky Slam. And in 2016, Katie went to the Olympics in Rio, and that's Rio de Janeiro in Brazil, guys. To prepare, Katie trained hard, and she swam, are you ready? 6 days a week, often twice a day, kiddos. That's the kind of commitment it takes. Katie again won the 800 meter, and this time she beat her own world record by almost 12 seconds. I watched it. She was just so far ahead. Katie left Rio with, are you ready, guys? Focus, more gold medals, 4 gold medals, and 1 silver. Wow. After the Rio Olympics, Katie went to Stanford University in California and swam on the college team, of course. And in 2021, she graduated with a degree in psychology. But Katie wasn't on campus for her graduation. She was 1,000 miles away in Omaha, Nebraska, getting ready for the next Olympics. That summer, Katie won 2 more gold medals, 2 silver medals at the Olympics in Tokyo, Japan. More than 10 years after she surprised the world at the London Olympics, Katie is still going strong. In July of 2023, she won the 800-meter freestyle at the World Aquanaut Championship and became the first swimmer in history to win the same world championship at over 6 times. Wow, Katie Ledecky is one of the most celebrated athletes of all time. She's a history maker and a legend. Today, she's still dominating the sport, setting new records and inspiring young people. What's Katie's advice to you? Anything is possible, she says. So keep working hard and follow your dreams. That's the key, kiddos. You gotta work hard. Remember, she would swim 5 and 6 days a week. Come on back. We're going to have other famous people we like. And boy, I like swimming. I hope you do too. Hope you had fun with this. Remember, smile and be safe. Grandpa loves you.